है खुशियाँ तेरी खुशियाँ दी विच खिलती है ख्वाब मेरी उम्मीद मेरी पूरा तो करे ओ वीर मेरे मैं जान तेरी और मान तेरा तेरा साथ रहे ओ वीर मेरे तेरी खुशियाँ बन मैं जीवा मेरी खुशियाँ बन तू जीवे इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू जिवें हसदी तू खिल जावे जद रोंदी मैनू बहलावे इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू लगे हो दर्द तुझे मेरे वीर जैसा है कौन मेरा तेरा प्यार रहे ओ वीर मेरी तेरी आन सदा सजती रहे मैं करती हूँ रब से ये दुआ तेरी शान रहे और मान रहे तेरी खुशियाँ बन मैं जीवा मेरी खुशियाँ बन तू जीवे इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू जिवें हसदी तो खिल जावे जद रोंदी मैनू बहलावे इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी खुशियाँ बन मेरी खुशियाँ
Happy birthday, Paul Mama. We miss you a lot. Have a great day and happy birthday.
Hi Paul, wish you a happy 25th birthday. I hope you have life full of success and happiness.
Hi, happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have an amazing day and an amazing year ahead.
Happy 25th birthday, Paul, and I hope you have a great year ahead. And regardless of ISB rejecting you, still got all the girls coming after you. So hope you have a great year ahead and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Paul. God bless you. May you have an amazing year. Thank you for being such a huge inspiration in terms of singing, let it be dancing, so many things. And I'm blessed to know you, and you are an incredible human being. Continue to do that, and God bless you for all your future endeavors. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Paul! I am so blessed to have gotten to know you in the last couple of years, and I really enjoy the relationship I share with you, and I love laughing with you, and I love knowing that I have a friend who has a heart like the kind of heart that you have. I hope this year to come has all the best kind of adventures, and I hope you make super memories, and I hope it takes you places, because I know you will go places eventually, and I hope this is the year. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year ahead.
Hi Paulana, happy birthday, God bless you, the most kind, sweetest, humble, selfless and the most caring human being I've ever known. I look up to you the most, and God bless you, have a great year ahead and all the best.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Miss Fast Mama. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Paul, happy birthday. God bless you. You are an amazing singer and an inspiration to a lot of people, especially the young children in Sunday school and VBS. God bless you for everything you're doing. Bye.
Hi Paul, wish you a happy 25th birthday, buddy. Always cherish our gully childhood moments. It was fun growing up with you, and cheers to a bright future.
Hey Paul, happy birthday, bro. Hope you have a great year and God bless you abundantly for all the hard work that you do. You are a great example for me, and I hope to see you soon.
Hey Paul, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope that you have a great day, and God bless you. Love you. Bye bye.
Hey Puffy, happy 25th birthday, Paul. I can't believe you're 25 already, and thank you so much for being that friend with who I can vent to, and I hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for you. Also, going back to the past, from being that very shy kid 16 years ago to being everybody's favorite rock star Anna, I'm so proud of you, Paul, and I hope we meet soon. Have a great one. Bye-bye.
Hi Paul, happy birthday to you. Thank you for being this amazing person in our lives and setting a good example for all of us, and being that one kid that every parent wants. And I'll always be your biggest fan. You are a rock star for us. Thank you for always being the same person in our group. Take care and have a blessed year ahead.
Hi Paulina, happy birthday. Have an amazing day and a great year ahead. I pray that all your dreams and wishes come true. God bless you, and take care.
Happy birthday by Rascal. I've been just given 15 seconds, and you know for a fact that I cannot do anything in 15 seconds. Although there's so much to talk about you, but just know that you are my go-to guy, and I hope God will fulfill all the desires of your heart. And happy birthday. You know that you are my go-to guy for everything, Thank you for having my back always, and always remember that no matter what you're going through, in His time He maketh all things beautiful. So I want you to believe in that, and I know for a fact that greater things are yet to come in your life. So happy birthday, Paul. I love you so much. Bye.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Paul. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hey Paul, hope you're doing good. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy 25th birthday. We're waiting for your treat, bro.
Hey Paul, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have fun, enjoy.
Hey Paul, wish you a very happy 25th birthday, and we're finally of the same age. I remember teasing you about this back in school because I was always a year older to you, and there's a lot more. But I'd like to tell you that you are a super sweet person, a lot of fun to be with, definitely a bundle of talent, as we all can see, and you just have a great nature, a great personality that is loved by all, and a great vibe around you. And I wish you the best. May all your dreams come true. May this year be as wonderful as you are. All the very best for everything in life. Take care.
Hi Paul, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you with many more, and also for being an amazing human being that you are. I'm absolutely blessed to have a friend like you. Have a great day and a greater year ahead. Bye.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే రవిశ్వాస్. హోప్ యూర్ డూయింగ్ వెల్. నాకు గుర్తుంది, నేను ఉన్నప్పుడు మన బర్త్డే గేమింగ్ పార్లర్లో చేసాము. అక్కడ కేక్ కట్ చేసాము, డైనింగ్లో తిన్నాము. హోప్ఫుల్లీ త్వరగా వచ్చినప్పుడు వీ కెన్ రీలివ్ దట్ డే అగైన్. బట్ అంటిల్ దెన్ గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ బేటా. బాయ్.
Happy birthday to the cutest, sweetest, funny, humble, and an awesome guy that I know. Happy birthday, Paul!
Happy birthday, Paul. God bless you. May all your dreams come true, and I'll miss having Sunday morning chais with you. Thank you for being a blessing in my life.
Hey Paul.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy 25, bro. Wishing you God's guidance in everything that you do. Keep on spreading joy. Cheers to many more milestones to reach. God bless you, brother.
Hey Paul, happy birthday. You're 25 now, an entire year younger than me. Happy birthday, my guy. I look up to you in so many ways. You're kind, you're helpful, you're incredibly handsome. And I hope to see what's in store for you in the future.
Happy birthday, Paul. I hope you're doing well. Love you, miss you, and I hope to see you soon. And let's lose weight together, okay? Don't leave me out of this. Bye.
Hi Paul, happy birthday. Have a great day. We'll meet you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Hi Paul, happy birthday. Have fun.